Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am posting my video after a really long time because I had my exams and I had to skip making my YouTube videos. But thank you so much for all my subscribers that they supported me still, and I'm back again. So I'll be posting videos on every weekend, every Thursday if possible. So let's start with today's video. So over here I have an Ecrinal ANP 2 Plus lotion, which is used for women. As you can see, it is used for intensive hair care and it is used for women. It's a lotion, as you can see over here. I have used this lotion for maximally 15 days and I got a really good result on this lotion, as it stops hair fall, anti-hair fall, and it is a very nice spray. You have the bottle here and you just puff and spray on the hair. It is mainly used for dry hair mostly, and it is Ecrinal ANP 2 Plus. It is a 200 ml bottle. It can approximately be used for 3 months. It should be used as 7 puff in the morning and 7 puff in the evening if you have a lot of hair fall. But if your hair fall is controllable and it is not out of control, then you should only use 7 puff in the morning, and shake well before use. Just take the bottle, shake it, and that's it. Just apply. And also, when you shake the bottle well, do 7 puff on the roots of the hair and rub lightly with fingertips. It is also known as a strengthening hair lotion. It strengthens and gives softness and a fresh and a clean feeling to the hair and the scalp. Now that we have talked a lot about the product, let's put the product aside and have a look at the price. As I am living in UAE, United Arab Emirates, so in Dubai, I have buy this product from this pharmacy, Aster Pharmacy, and it is for 89 dirhams. It is for 89 dirhams in the UAE. So yeah, and if you people are in another country and you guys cannot find on any pharmacy, then you can probably visit to amazon.com. Over there I have seen this lotion. I'll be putting the link down in the description box. And people living in the UAE can buy it from Aster Pharmacy, any state, no problem. Aster Pharmacy or any other pharmacies, they have this. So yeah, and that's all for today's video. And if you guys really liked my video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, and also press on the notification bell to always know whenever I post a new video. And I'll be posting more videos on more useful products which can be used in your daily life. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.